Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to show you how to do deep breathing exercises, and I'm going to take you through some simple steps to show you how to do these exercises at home. So you might like to do these at home with me as we go along. So the first thing is to get yourself in the right position. So for deep breathing, you're much better being upright, so either sitting or standing rather than lying down. Now, if you are in bed and you're in bed recovering from illness or surgery, try to prop yourself up, so maybe with a couple of pillows so that your body's upright a little bit rather than lying flat. It's much harder to do deep breathing exercises when you're lying flat. Now, the second thing is to think about your posture. So wherever you are, either standing or sitting, I'd like you to lengthen your spine. So think about lifting the crown of your head towards the ceiling and relax your shoulders back and down. If you're slumped forward, it's much more difficult to expand your ribcage and your lungs. So second thing is always think about your posture before you start your deep breathing. Now, our third thing is to start to breathe in to the base of the lungs. Now, if we shallow breath, which is up here, you don't have air exchange happening here. The air exchange happens down the base of your lungs, and that means that's where the oxygen gets into your bloodstream. So the air exchange is going to happen down here. So this is the part of the rib cage we need to move out to the side. Just to demonstrate, I've got some tubing here and some exercise bands. So you'll see what I mean. So if I bring this around my body and hold it at the back, when I breathe in, I want to make that part wide. So when you're breathing at home, make that part of your rib cage expand, but without lifting this part. So make this part, breathe in, and slowly let the air fall out. You don't need to force the air out. So once again, make that part of your rib cage wide with your in-breath. Here we go. Breathe in at home. You might like to use your hands on the outside of your rib cage and let the air out slowly. So I'm going to move that tubing down. I'm going to do this again, and now with another hand on the belly. So rib cage is going to come wide and our belly is going to move forward like we're a barrel. So moving into a barrel. Here we go. Breathe in deeply. Let your tummy move forward, hand move forward, and then let the air fall away slowly. So how did you go putting that all together? You've got your posture, you've got breathing in slowly and deeply, rib cage coming wide, belly moving forward. Hold it, and then let the air fall away. Now, how many of those exercises should you do? Well, if you do too many in a row, you can actually get a little bit lightheaded. So it's a good idea to start with 3 or 4 of those exercises, and you might do those hourly, particularly if you're resting in bed. So these are the exercises worth practicing before an athletic event, if you're recovering from illness, if you feel a little bit fatigued and need to increase the amount of oxygen getting to your lungs. So I really hope this video helps you understand how to do deep breathing exercises at home. I'd love to hear from you. If you've got any comments or questions about this video, let me know below. And I'll look forward to exercising with you next time. Bye for now.